Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm taking a look at the Fujifilm GFX 50R 51.4MP Mirrorless Medium Format Camera. This is the body only, and it will be released on November 29th of 2018. Now you can get the base in Fujian with a 64mm f4R. And then there's that one with a 45mm, and then this one's with a 63mm. Okay, so this camera is just the body only. It's a 51.4MP medium format, 43.8 by 32.9 mm sensor for superior sharpness and image quality with X processor, Pro image processor, Fujifilm G mount with short flange back distance of just 26.7 mm, weather and dust resistant operation to as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit or -10 degrees Celsius. It's equipped with dual memory card slots, uses SD cards, lightweight body, weighs approximately 27.3 ounces. So there you guys have it. This is the Fujifilm GFX 50R 51.4MP mirrorless medium format camera, body only. If you would like more information or would like to check it out yourself, just check below in the description box for the link. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Till then everyone.